Uy, hoy amanecí fabulosa de París, con un placento imparable, insuperable, como una diosa colosal inmamable, y que mi ex ni me hable, porque de noche, de día, arriba la putería, de noche, de día, arriba la putería, de noche, de día, arriba la putería.
My shit's louder. Súbele. Ha. What is up, guys? We're back with another video. And today is probably just gonna be another day in welding. Try to make a better video on that because last one I know it wasn't good. This dude got some slicks. And he's asking if he should slap them on. I feel like it looks better with those, fool. It looks better with these than these. I'm about to slap them on that one over there. The mama.
Nigga, show me your sound system.
Oh, all right then. Let's see the system.
Yeah, that shit's bad, nigga. Show me. Sheesh. Faggot kid. This nigga did not bring his truck today. Get away!
Where your truck at?
Oh, dude. Gas is too much coming all the way from over there.
Alright, so now we're at the TIG booth. I'm not the best at this, but see, I try to get you guys some clips. You see, I'm not the best. It's not really good, but I'm working my way up. So, bro, I don't even think I got pieces for this hoe. Process of TIG.
You gonna cut all the pieces?
Yeah, bruh. This fool went all out. He cut all of them.
But I'm not supposed to? I mean, yeah, but you just cut like, it's a log, so you're gonna have the shit done. Well, all my we just cut half, and whenever we need, we cut the other half. And why you tell me hella late, bro? Well, I know. Stick out of that long palito, you only get like 5 pieces.
Bro, looks like my dad.
Can't record my job? What? Are we going to Interstreet? Yeah. Right now? I'm going to Interstreet for real.
Yeah, for real. This fool likes the breakfast there, or like the little burritos and shit. So I was in the truck. I was checking if the back doors had speakers on them because I just traded. Well, I haven't been posting, but I traded the car for this truck, the Del Sol, and the back, or not the back, the front speakers, because this truck was stolen twice, and the front speakers were gone, as you guys already know. No stereo, but I do have a stereo that Fabian, thanks to him, he let me have. And then I just bought some door speakers. I still need the tweeters. Fabian also gave me a tweeter, but it's a 4-inch. I don't know if it'll fit. Yeah, so I was just checking the back speakers, and then I just need the harness for this. And I went to Walmart. They said they didn't have it. And then Miguel, Fabian's cuñado, Lito's audio. I'm not sure the exact name of his shop, but he said he was going to order it and it hasn't came in. And I was gonna tell Fabian we might just go. I'm gonna tell him if we could go, see if he has it. If not, if he knows anywhere where I could get it, so I could just install it, because I've been rolling out around with no music, and it's kind of annoying having no music, rolling the windows down. I usually like to have something to listen to, but yeah, we're gonna do that right now.
Stupid fuck.
All right, so we went to Walmart and I didn't record that bitch.
I installed this right now.
Yeah, okay, buddy. Nah, but we found the harness we needed. We're about to find out if it works.
See that shit?
If the stereo, if the fucking stereo that this fool gave me works.
If it blows up, it blows up. Ready?
Make it blow up. There we go. Oh shit.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what the?
It's like a porn DVD. But it changes colors and shit.
Connect.
Connect what, nigga? What does it say?
Connect your Bluetooth.
Nigga, just put in the disc.
No. Connect your Bluetooth.
I'll connect you with.
No, fuck off.
We're gonna put some Suicide Boys, bro.
Depressed ass nigga.
So we got the stereo in, but the volume didn't. The volume.
Hey, the volume stuck at 32 right now.
But we can't move it. If not, it just lowers the volume. It's at 0. It goes up to like 8, but like you can't.
Okay.
It's hard to get it to go up. It just goes down and down. So it doesn't work. But we left it at like what, 32?
33.
30, yeah, something like that. So we are able to listen to music now, but we need to do stereo. And then that food Pep right there comes late every day.
He's making a bonfire.
Let's see what he's
He's
making.
making a fucking.
Explain to them what you're making.
You guys ever heard of cannibalism?
No, first explain to them why the fuck you're making a bonfire for this hot ass fucking heat.
I know, bro.
For the Michoacanos out there that are gonna watch this is for the garbanzos.
And that's going to be the end of it, guys. I know there isn't much content. I will slowly be improving my videos, getting more content for you guys, but I haven't been doing any videos. I took a little break. I do have my certificate. I don't have it, but I passed the certification test for MIG, spray, and stick, and right now I'm on TIG, currently on TIG. And I'm not gonna lie, TIG is pretty tough. But I do plan on doing like truck content now that I have a truck. When I had the Del Sol, I was gonna do car content, but I will continue any like vehicle content. I will do it. I am currently looking for a job, a welding job. Everywhere I've been looking, they want experience. It's hot as a motherfucker right now, but everywhere I've been looking, they want experience, and just the experience is what hasn't got me a job, because I'm just starting. But other than that, yeah, everything's going good, and catch you guys in the next video. Oh, and make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification.
The buck that I don't want, that I'ma hit him. But, hey, hella niggas dying. All up in the battlefield, but I'm still shining. Nigga, and you shoe shining. Don't wanna be it, but I know that I'm worth dying. Run it up, and I ain't fucking with niggas. You tryna empty out my pocket, and I should've known better. Gon' get it. Talking like we in person. Tough talking on the net, but they ain't doing no hurting. I had to run it up, and I ain't fucking with niggas. You tryna empty out my pocket, and I should've known better.